There are many subordinating conjunctions that cause confusion. Generally, the words as, because, or since are confused. All these three are subordinating conjunctions. For example, he did not come as he is sick. She came first because she studied sincerely. He's travelled a lot since he left the company. So he did not come is one ordinate clause. He is sick is another ordinate clause. As is used as a subordinating conjunction, and the subordinating clause is as he is sick. So they are used as subordinating conjunctions. In speaking and writing, because is more common than as and since. Students were quiet because they were in the library. Students were quiet. This is the result. Because they were in the library, this is the cause or the reason. So here the result is given first and the reason is given later. Sometimes the reason is given first and the result is given later. So here students were quiet because they were in the library. This is to show that because is more common. If any subordinating conjunction is used in the beginning of the sentence, then that subordinating clause is highlighted. Focus is given on the reason, on the cause. For example, because they were in the library, the students were quiet. Here the reason they were in the library is given focus. The highlight is on the reason and not on the result, which is the students were quiet. Note that extra focus on the cause or the reason is given by placing because at the beginning. Also note that after the because clause, a comma is placed. Because they were in the library, comma, the students were quiet. The because clause on its own can be used in informal writing or speaking, but in formal writing it is not used. Why are the students so quiet? Because they are in the library. Note that because they are in the library is a partial sentence. It is just a subordinate clause. It is not a full sentence, but it is used in informal writing and speaking. However, in formal writing, the complete sentence has to be written. For example, the tax was not introduced because the people voted against it. This is a complete sentence. Now, if you split this into two sentences, the tax was not introduced, full stop, because the people voted against it. This is incorrect. But in informal writing, this is correct. Why was the tax not introduced? Because the people voted against it. So in informal writing, subordinate clauses can be used, but in formal writing, they cannot. Because is also shortened as cause, COS or COZ, in informal writing and speaking. She is dancing because she is happy. If any subordinating conjunction is placed at the beginning, then we use a comma after the clause. So if as and since come in the beginning, then as, since, because or any other subordinating conjunction, then we place a comma. Since we know each other, comma, let us skip the introductions. As this is to our mutual benefit, comma, we shall all contribute. If because is used to propose a reason, then as and since are not used. For example, are you tired because you ran for 2 hours? We do not say, are you tired as you ran for 2 hours? Or are you tired since you ran for 2 hours? So the correct would be, are you tired because you ran for 2 hours? On the whole, the words as, because and since are used as subordinating conjunctions. Between the three, because is more common. On its own, because can be used informally, but in formal writing it cannot be used. If a subordinating conjunction starts a sentence, then a comma is placed after the subordinating clause. This is clear? Any doubts, any questions on this? Okay. I hope this lesson has clarified your doubts. Thank you.